Hello, and welcome to Soul Food Cooking. Today, I'll be making fried pork chops. You will need 2 pork chops, 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 2 eggs, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, 1/2 teaspoon of cayenne pepper, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of salt, and canola oil for frying. In a small bowl, combine your garlic powder and onion powder. Now add your salt, paprika, and black pepper, then whisk until well combined. Now generously season your pork chops on both sides. Add the remaining seasoning to your flour, then whisk until well combined. Spread your pork chops in the egg and then the flour, and then place them on a wire rack. Using medium-high heat, bring a cast iron skillet to temperature. Now fry your pork chops for 7 minutes or until it has reached an internal temperature of 145 degrees. Remove your pork chops from the pan, and now it is ready to serve. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Soul Food Cooking.
Hello and welcome to my channel. We're getting to share with you